Hello guys, nowadays we can smartly do our daily work by many amazing gadget. In this video you will see 10 amazing kitchen gadget which you can buy right now from Amazon. You can find each product link in description. We have made the list based on customer review, price and feature. So let's get start the video. First product of our list is Dash Mini Rice Cooker Steamer with removable nonstick pot. The Dash Mini Rice Cooker is the one pot to cook it all and more. This amazing kitchen products have many 5-star rating and good customer review on Amazon. You can easily and smartly cook your meal and snack by this mini rice cooker. Featuring a keep warm function, you can keep your meal and ingredients hot for a longer time. You can make 2 cups of rice, grains, soups, stews, and more with this easy-to-use appliance featuring mini rice cooker. It is a dishwasher-safe and durable kitchen product. This compact cooker is perfect for dorms, apartments, and offices. The second product of our list is Braun Multi-Serve Coffee Machine. It is a smart and amazing coffee machine. This coffee machine easily adapts to your ever-changing needs and coffee preferences. Its exact brew system delivers consistent optimal brewing with every cup automatically calculating the precise water flow temperature and speed with the touch of a button. You can customize your coffee to your liking, from light to bold. The third product of our list is Chefman Turbo Fry 2-quart Air Fryer. It is a smart and amazing air fryer. Compact size. Big flavor. Utilizing the latest advances in rapid air technology. This air fryer circulates hot air at high speed, cooking your favorite dish and producing a crispy fried texture with little or no oil. You can make a variety of food. Almost any food that is traditionally cooked in the oven can be air fried. Adjustable 30-minute timer and auto shutoff function allow you to program your fryer to achieve amazing results without overcooking your food. Number 4 product of our list is Dash Safe Slice Mandolin for vegetables. The Safe Slice Mandolin makes food prep quick and easy. This useful kitchen product have many 5-star rating and good customer review. The Dash Safe Slice Mandolin offers a safer way to cut like a pro. The unique design prevents your hands from ever going near the built-in blades, making this mandolin the safest option for an expert slice. With 30+ slicing options, the mandolin cuts perfectly even slices from 1 to 8 mm in thickness while also offering julienne, matchstick and dicing options. Number 5 product of our list is Magic Bullet Blender. It is a high-speed blender and mixer. It is like your personal kitchen food processor and blender assistant. You can easily chop, mix, blend, whip, grind, and mince by this amazing Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet Blender and food processor takes up minimal counter space while showcasing maximum speed and versatility. You can make the perfect smoothies and milkshakes, frozen cocktails, and pureed soups super easily. Number 6 product of our list is Pfister Lita Extract Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet with Integrated Water Filter. The Pfister Lita Extract Kitchen Faucet with Faucet Filtration System delivers drinking water as well as tap water right at your kitchen sink, all in one pull-down water filter faucet. No need for a faucet mount water filter or a separate tap water purifier. This faucet water filtration system reduces contaminants such as pharmaceuticals, chlorine, lead and cysts from your drinking water. If you want clean and pure water, then the useful product is for you. Number 7 product of our list is Thermos Stainless King 16-ounce Compact Bottle. It is an ideal choice for people on the go. The Stainless King vacuum insulated beverage bottle is built to last and loaded with features to make for a more enjoyable drinking experience. Thermos vacuum insulation technology virtually eliminates temperature change within the beverage container by creating an airless space between two stainless steel walls. The result is an insulation layer that performs better than any other. Number 8 product of our list is Balmuda Toaster Oven. It is an amazing toaster with revolutionary technology. Heating more rapidly than air, a thin layer of steam envelops the bread, lightly toasting its surface, while keeping its inner moisture and flavor from escaping. The toaster uses steam technology, heat control, and 5 different modes to bring out the best in any kind of bread. Number 9 product of our list is Digital Coffee Scale. Are you a coffee lover and like to brew your own coffee every morning? The coffee scale with timer make brewing easy and fun. This coffee scale features a handy tare function to easily measure ingredients in a dish, allowing you to cut down on prep time. It has high precision sensors to ensure accurate measurements from 1 gram to 3,000 grams. It makes everything from brewing to baking as a piece of cake. Number 10 product of our list is Vacuum Sealer Machine. By this amazing kitchen product you can keep your food fresh. White Dolphin Vacuum Sealer sucks the air out, which can preserve the freshness, taste and shelf life of food for later usage. By using White Dolphin Vacuum Sealer for food storage, you can avoid wasting food due to oxidation, exposure to odors and rotting. This vacuum sealer machine have multi-functional buttons. Short press the button to vacuum and seal the bag, and long press the button to vacuum and seal thicker bags. You will get your airtight vacuum sealed food in few seconds. So guys, this is 10 amazing kitchen gadget of our list. You can use this gadgets to get a easy and smart kitchen. You can buy this gadgets from Amazon. Each product link has given in the description box. If you love kitchen gadget, then please like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a good day.